Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use LRG9. First, let's get you set up. LRG9 is a powerful tool designed to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Before diving in, make sure your computer meets the specified system requirements. The installation process is straightforward, typically taking less than 10 minutes. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you will be ready to begin using LRG9 in no time at all. Now that LRG9 is installed, let's explore its user-friendly interface. The main dashboard provides a clear overview of your active projects and essential tools. Creating a new project is simple, requiring just a few clicks to get started. Remember to save your progress frequently to avoid losing any work. You can easily access your saved projects from the main menu, ensuring continuity in your tasks. Once you are comfortable with the basics, LRG9 offers a wealth of advanced features to explore. Customize your workspace to match your preferences, enhancing your efficiency. Leverage the integrated data analysis tools to gain valuable insights from your information. Furthermore, take advantage of the automation capabilities to reduce manual effort, saving you significant time on recurring tasks. These features truly unlock LRG9's full potential. To get the most out of LRG9, consider these best practices. Regularly review and adjust your settings for optimal performance, ensuring smooth operation. If you encounter any issues, the application includes helpful diagnostic tools to guide you through troubleshooting. Remember, a vibrant online community and comprehensive support resources are always available to assist you with any questions or challenges you might face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.